Today we're going to be making turkey mushroom bolognese over fresh pappardelle. This is going to yield about 4 full servings of the bolognese, but for a smaller, lighter portion, you can even make this 8 servings. Now let's get started. Sift in the flour and make a little well in the center. Add olive oil for a softer, silkier texture. Knead the dough for a good 18 to 20 minutes. Now let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 sections and roll out each one. Make sure the surface of each rolled out piece is well floured, or else they're going to stick to each other. Now cut out the pappardelle. Now let's prepare the ingredients for the turkey mushroom sauce. First, saute the mushrooms and don't use any oil because you want to get out the water and moisture in the mushrooms. Now add the turkey and oil so you can brown up your ingredients. Cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, start to layer in more flavors. Cook for another 10 minutes. With 10 minutes left for the sauce, add the heavy whipping cream and the Parmesan cheese. Now it's time to boil our pappardelle. Add in your pappardelle to the sauce and half a cup of the pasta water. Add some Parmesan cheese and herbs to the top for some garnish. Enjoy! Happy eating!